So WDS is configured, and if you see the status, it is saying that WDS is configured. But the service is stopped here. If you see this black logo here, service is stopped. So we need to start the service. How will you start it? You will right click, all tasks, then you will start the service. So successfully started the Windows deployment services. After starting the services, we need to add install image and boot image. So from where you will get this install image and boot image, you will get this Windows media. So whatever the operating system you want to install on client PCs, from that media you will get this install images and boot images like CD, Windows 10 CD or DVD, Windows 10 flash. And in our lab we are going to use the ISO image. So we will get this install images and boot images from our ISO image. Okay, so before moving forward, before adding this install image and boot image, we need to make sure that ISO image is added here in this virtual machine. So we'll go to VM settings, then we'll go to CD, DVD, and we'll select the second option, use the ISO image file. Then we'll browse it. On my desktop, there is one folder called software. Under software, I have this Windows 10 ISO image. So we need to provide the path here. Then we'll click OK. Let us go to this WDS service and we'll go to install image and boot image. What is the use? Okay, let us try to understand. This install image is the operating system image. Then this boot image, it boots or starts the target computer over the network. So it is mandatory to provide this install image and boot image, and we will get these two images from the media. All right, so we will add the install images first. We'll right click, add install image, and we'll provide the group name like Windows 10. Then we'll click next and we'll provide the file location. All right, so we will get the ISO image we have provided in the virtual machine in the DVD. Okay, so we'll select DVD. Under DVD, we will go to sources. Under sources, we have this, which file we are adding. Let me check. We are adding install image. All right, so for install image, we will select this install.vim file. Then we'll click next, 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 and it will start adding the Windows images here. So we wait for a few seconds. This install image is the operating system image. It is the image of Windows 10 operating system. So the selected images were successfully added to the server. We'll click finish. So if you see the install image is added here, now we need to add the boot image. So we'll go to this boot image option, right click, add boot image, then we'll provide the same path. We'll select boot.vim file, then we'll click next, 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 and it will start adding the boot image here. We'll wait for a few seconds. So boot image, it will start the target computer over the network, and the install image which we have already added, it is the operating system image. So you see the selected image was successfully added to the server. We'll click finish, and if you see the boot image is also added.